of your house onto a heap of garbage. Is it a pleasant experience? Not at all. Now, who has thrown the garbage there? It's we to throw the garbage out of our house to keep our houses clean. So, today we are going to present a skit and tell you how to take care of the garbage that you generate at home.
Prithvi, Vishwas, Suhas, Dharti and Janani are classmates and they live in the same area. It is Prithvi's birthday and he is going to invite his friends and their mothers to a birthday party. Let's watch what happens.
Janani, Dati, Suhas, I'm celebrating my birthday tomorrow. Please come home with your mother at 4 p.m.
Oh, we surely come.
Oh, where is Vishwas?
He's sick with his stomach infection.
Oh, I'll see him and invite him.
Bye. Bye.
What happened, Vishwas?
Prithvi, I'm sick with stomach pain. I have not been able to eat anything.
How did it happen?
2 days back, we were driving near Mavalipura and our car broke down. I was so thirsty. I drank water from the roadside tap. From then, I'm sick with stomach pain. I have not been able to eat anything.
Be happy. You're not down with malaria or cholera.
You know about Mavalipura? The doctor also said the same.
Of course, the underground water and the borewell water of Mavalipura is so contaminated that the people are suffering from the cancer and the newborn babies too, because the entire Bangalore garbage is dumped there and it's like a garbage lake. But I feel bad because the people of Mavalipura are suffering because all of us.
Are you joking? How can we be the reason?
Yes, we are the reason. Did you not learn in your EVS classes that plastic takes 200 years to degrade? If we all put our garbage into the plastic cars and give to the collector, the rotten waste precipitates and reacts with other metals and form the leachate. The leachate flows to the pipes and reaches the underground water and contaminates it. If you drink the water there, what else can you expect but such infections?
What can we do? BBMP is not doing anything. They only collect money.
BBMP only can't do this. Did you not learn reduce, reuse and recycle?
Yeah, I remember. All that is to pass the exam. Who can practice all that?
No, tomorrow come to my home. I will show you what can be done. Anyway, I have my birthday tomorrow. Please try to come and get well soon.
I'll try to come, Vishwas.
Bye.
Next day, it is Prithvi's birthday party. Janani, Dharti and Suhas come with their mothers to Prithvi's home.
Happy birthday, Prithvi.
Happy birthday, Prithvi.
Happy birthday, Prithvi.
I'll serve some snacks for you. Sapna, why are you serving in these plates and glasses? Why don't you use plastic cups and plates? Those are more convenient, you know. And no need to wash also. You can just dispose them. And don't you have water problem in your house? We have so much water problem in my house now. And my husband uses so much water to clean the car, you know.
Yes, Geeta, I do agree that plastic is convenient and you can dispose them off. But don't you know that plastic is harmful to our earth? I too get less water these days, but I try to save water wherever we can. When brushing the teeth, we keep the taps closed. And the water used for cleaning the vegetables is used for watering the plants. And my husband uses only one bucket of water to clean the car. He does not use hose pipe. This way, we try to reduce the wastage of water wherever possible.
These snacks are so tasty. You have made many varieties with vegetables. How did you manage it? Vegetables are so expensive these days.
Oh, that is not a problem. I have a good kitchen garden where I grow tomatoes, cucumber, carrots, beans and supu. And the vegetables are absolutely free for me.
What are these pots, one above the other?
Oh, these pots. I put all the vegetable peel, flowers, fruit peel, tea dust, etc. into this bin and I mix it with dry leaves and keep stirring it occasionally and keep it for 3 months. You get a very good compost like this which are used for manuring by plants. So my vegetables are absolutely free.
Sapna, I think I can't do this in my apartment.
No, that is not a problem at all. You know, in Mumbai, people grow vegetables in their kitchen garden, in their windowsills. So I don't think that will be a problem for you also.
Auntie, where do I keep this plate? There are 2 waste bins here.
Please put all this waste in this bin. In this bin, I put all the waste which is degradable. And in this one, I put all the dry waste which can be recycled like cartons, plastic wrappers, chocolate wrappers, plastics, metals, etc. which can be recycled. Like this, and all of you know that my wet waste goes into this for making compost. Like this, my garbage is reduced to an extent, and I need to give my garbage guy only once in 3 days. And soon BBMP is also going to start collecting them separately.
Prithvi,